Hi everyone, I'm here in the park today with a shark because our sound today is ah. You say that sound? Ah. So today we're going to read the story Shark in the Park, and when we're reading this story I want you to listen out and see if you can hear any ah words in there. Maybe you can try and write a little list. Pup is in the park. There's a shark in the park. Pup barks. Pup wakes fat cat. She meows. Why did you bark? There's a shark in the park. Pup barks. It has a sharp, pointy fin. Big Pup is lighting a fire. What a bright spark! There's a shark in the park, Pup barks. It has a sharp, pointy nose. Hen is with her pad and pens. She makes bright squiggles and marks. There's a shark in the park, Pup barks. It has a sharp, pointy teeth. Sam's sheep is asleep where it is dark. There's a shark in the park, Pup barks. A shark meows fat cat. A shark grunts big pig. A shark clucks hen. Zzz, snores Sam's sheep, still fast asleep. Yes, a shark. There's a shark in the park, Pup barks. Make your way to the lake. Up pops Jake Snake. There's no shark in the park. It's Jake Snake and his rubber ring. So see how many R words you can write down from that story. And I've got a little quiz for you at the end. Bye for now. Okay, see if you can read the sentence and match to the picture. Pause if you need to. What about this sentence? Can you match it to the picture? What does this one say? Can you see a word with R in? Okay, we've got some new pictures this time. Can you spot 3 words with the R sound in this sentence? Which picture matches this sentence? Okay, last one. See if you can read this sentence and match it to the picture. Well done, everybody.